Johanna.
Hey guys, the idea for today's 15-minute journal page is to do a nature journal inspired page. So you can take anything from nature and include it in a journal page in 15 minutes or less. So you can see that I've done a flower. And this is a flower that was actually from my wedding bouquet a couple of years ago, and I've pressed it and I've laminated it. And I'm just going to take that flower, I'm going to stick it in my journal and I'm going to draw it, and then I'm just going to do like a tiny little bit of writing, just like a little title basically. You can obviously do something more detailed than I have. You can actually go outside and find something to include, like pick up a leaf or pick a flower or take a photo of an animal and try and draw it in your journal, or you can even go out and sit outside and draw something that is right in front of you. But the idea is to do some kind of nature journal related page. This page was so quick for me, as you can see, but like I said, you can make yours a lot more detailed than I have. You can add paints, you can do watercolors. All you need to do is go outside, find something to make a page about, and do that in a creative way in 15 minutes or less. So make sure you use that hashtag 15-minute journal challenge, and I'm super excited to see what you guys do for this page idea.